Everyone, Suzanne here. I hope you're all well and welcome to Sew Custom. Today's video is a bit of an update video. So for those of you that have been here for a while, you will know that each year I take off a couple of months or so towards the end of the year. I've done this since I started my channel, and it's just to give me a little bit of time away from social media. Very good for the head, I find. So I've just been on that break, and the reason why I'm doing this video is because this year I got so many messages, so many DMs, emails, comments, all asking where I am. I think you guys were a little bit worried about me. I'm totally fine. As I say, I do this every year. So I post on my community pages on YouTube just to let you guys know what's happening. So again, I do that every year. So I posted this message. I also post on my Insta stories, letting you guys know that I'll be on a break. I never really give a time scale for the break because I just stay off until I'm ready enough to come back. So if any YouTubers that you guys watch don't upload as per their regular schedule, maybe they're just like me and they post on their community pages here on YouTube and also over on their stories. So have a look on both of those places if you get a little bit worried. So anyway, I'm back now. So I thought I would let you guys know what's coming up on the channel in the short term. So I have been doing something a little bit different while I've been off. So I've been trying to teach myself how to make a makeup bag, a brush roll and jewelry roll, and a little eye mask. And the reason why I've been doing this is because I was doing a clear out of all the clothes I wore during the summer, and there's loads that I wear over and over and over again year after year. But there's ones I made last year that I didn't really wear as much as I thought I was going to wear them. One of which is this. So I think 3 years ago now, I made a kimono style jacket. I made it in a beautiful linen and I wore it non-stop that summer, the following summer, and even this summer just passed. Because I wore it so much, I thought I would make myself another couple. I wanted to have a go at a bit of a silk lining as well, make it a little bit more luxurious. And these were two of the little jackets that I made that I didn't really wear as much as I thought I was going to. And I think it's because of the lining. I think the summers we've had, especially last year, was just so hot. I didn't want that lining, even though it's silk, touching my skin. So because I didn't wear either of these as much as I would have liked to have, I thought I would refashion them into something that hopefully is a bit more useful and something that I can gift to a friend for Christmas. So as I say, the little project that I undertook was to make a makeup bag, a brush and jewelry roll, and an eye mask. And I'm hoping that this very good friend of mine will appreciate this handmade, beautiful silk gift as a Christmas box this year. So that's coming up in the near future. So that will be the next 3 videos coming up. The first one starting Friday coming in. And then after that, I will probably resume just normal service. So I want to make some coats. I want to make some dresses for over the holiday period. I have a couple of things that I'm going to, so I would like to make something for that. Whether they make it on camera or not, I have no idea at present. So I hope you're all doing very well, and hopefully these next sort of 2 or 3 videos will be useful for those of you that are interested in making some Christmas gifts for friends and family. So I shall see you guys with the first of that little set on Friday. Until then, I hope you have a fantastic week. Bye folks!